da kajing ipu iping hanong ba Tura hakba u sembot menteri rang ba kajelau ba snyau balang dhar ulakan tiyo kala mai lai rong jong kari hakapelau school jong kamat chakol gre LP school. Haba a jingkran u ba dhar ulapan pau halor kajing kiyo jong kajela haki benta jong kayok kakon ke imlang sa lang karep karyang kapuli puthi bat kijing tei. Ula kadeu ro ikijing tumbu hadian habot na kabenta ka kampulin ki kam jong kai perthei kayok kam yok jambat karoi kapar haki thanyong kendong. Kejingat paret bakentop ya arpasan teli ki kenhuan bakentop ya ki pulit ki school bat ki Bharat Scout and Guides hakaba Deputy Commissioner of Vibhor Agarwal USP u Abraham T sama kilai dan bentalang hakane ka Sngi. Hakane ka program 8i kijing shat Tynrai jong ki garo bat Nepali kijing roi 83 bat kijing pen inam ni kiksau ka appreciation awards 8 kup buram ro ikinong job haki benta bapher kum kijing pen kup buram ya unong job haki jing nya kali u Anish M Sangma unong put nong tem u Linton M Momin bat ki kena ki bapas bah ki excellent M Bos kata ka Esther D Shira bat kasam Ridia Das Ryngkat bat kiwe ki samla puli ki balapas bah. Lapan kot ia kene kajing Rakhe ha kene ka Sngi da kajing sam ki kusnam shaki nong job ha kajing yat parit kata ka Tura Government College NCC Boys bat ka Don Bosco College NCC Girls kabala yo ya ka kerdan Bamingkong.
Ladies and gentlemen, approaching the saluting gaze is the Pichon Memorial High Secondary School NCC Boys contingent led by Mr. Sangram R. Malik, Surgeon. Following behind is the Pichon Memorial High Secondary School NCC Girls contingent led by Ms. Prachi R. Malik, Surgeon.
School with its Scout Troop March Song led by Mr. Atang Rigado A. Sangma. Miss Akambe Sangma now proudly marches along with her St. Xavier's High Secondary School Guide Company as our 19th contingent.
A meaningful step forward in Meghalaya developmental journey as we continue to make steady progress towards our vision's 2032 goals of becoming a $16 billion economy. Anchored in the framework of Mission 10, the state has advanced a model of inclusive and sustainable growth by identifying 10 high potential opportunities sector to drive prosperity and committing to 10 welfare commitments that safeguards the well-being of every citizen of Meghalaya. These alignments between economic ambitions and social responsibility is shaping a future where progress reaches every corner of Meghalaya. Meghalaya continues to maintain a peaceful and stable law and order environment, creating a conducive atmosphere for progress and cooperation. Following the Chief Minister level meeting held on 2nd June 2025, construction of interstate boundary pillar have been completed in Hahim area and significant progress in other area is being made. The government reaffirms its commitment to upholding justice, security and transparency in our state.